Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can make our voice sound good on Audacity. So for that, open up your Audacity and also record an audio or import an audio that you want to make feel good or sound good. And after that, we will use the secret sauce for making it sound good. Make sure that you follow each and every step and make it sound good. So first things first, go to effects, and here you will find this option of EQ and filters. Just click on bass and treble, and here you can adjust them as per your choice. So you can increase the bass according to your voice and how it sounds original, and the treble also. And you can preview the sound of it by clicking on preview and then clicking on apply. After setting up this bass and treble, close it up. After that, just go to effects, and here on you will find this EQ and filters. Just click on it, and it might also read as equalization if you are having an Audacity of previous version. So just click on equalization and then click on filter curve EQ. Here you want to make sure that the high ends go up to 6 decibels and the lower end goes up to 4 decibels. So just click on one and then make it right above the 3 decibel. Also adjust it appropriately, and after that just click on apply, and after that go to effects again, and this time you need to go on volume and compression and then just click on amplifier to normalize it. And you don't have to change anything over here, just click on apply and let it be on default settings. And after that again go to effects, this time again go to volume and compression, and this time click on compressor. Here threshold should be around 30 decibels, and then the 50 decibels for noise flow, and make the ratio around 3:1. And the attack time and release time should be minimal. And after that just click on apply and again go to effects, and this time click on amplify and click on apply. And this is how you make your voice sound better on Audacity. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.